Okay, so now I have this JavaScript that contains the data and the code to output it where I want to output it at. And I'm going to separate this from my HTML. File, New, go down here to JavaScript, hit Create. So I'll do File, Save As. Okay, now what I'm going to do is go here and go, right now I'm holding my shift and down arrow to select this whole tag. And then I'm hitting Control X. Then I'm going over here and I'm doing Control V to paste it in. I'm going to remove that because when you make a JavaScript file, you don't need that tag. Okay, and now I'm going to go to Site, Locate in Site. Okay, there it is, but it needs to be in my JavaScript folder. Okay, there it is. Then I'm going to hit Close. Now I'm going to go to here and type in Script, hit Tab, go back with my back arrow, hit Spacebar, go down to SRC, hit Enter, and then Browse. I'm going to hit Enter and find what I just created, which is right there. Hit OK. Alt FL to save it all. It does. So now I have that script in a separate file, separate from my HTML, which makes my code cleaner. And you can see plainly that I don't have any text in this HTML data elements. I don't have any contextual text. It's just coming in from the JavaScript. I'm going to do dot container, and this is just Emmet. And then I'm going to open that up, and then I'm going to put in my card, and I'm going to hit copy. So it copies it, and Control V here, Alt FL. And then I'm going to hit F12. And I'm going to grab these pictures. Can I copy image address? I can. Source, I'm going to take that out and put in the image address. Hit F12. I want to collapse this. Then I want to do Control T, which allows me to wrap it with a tape container. And this container I'm going to give a class of row. I'm going to open this up. This is card title, and the ID is going to be equal to card title 1. So I go back to, I'm going to put that here. And I don't think I need these on the end.